Welcome to another of our series in YouTube Multiverse. Basically, today we'll be looking at convenience and efficiency. We have been given a great tool by YouTube, and this will help us to operate more efficiently in the creation of our videos and also in the scheduling of our videos. So basically, what I'm going to show you in this video is how to basically prepare your videos beforehand and then use the scheduling tool in YouTube to actually schedule the time. And guess what, guys? Persons will actually be waiting to watch these videos. So while they're waiting, you know that your viewership is basically just there. They're waiting for you. It's like similar to live. So guess what? They'll be there waiting, and then when it hits, they will be there as well, waiting to watch that video. So let's get to it and let's show you how to use the YouTube scheduling tool. Whichever video editing software you choose to use, or whichever application you use, whether it's on your laptop or your cell phone, guess what? You have the option to just upload the video similarly to how you do. Give it the name, right? Then choose the necessary tags and descriptions that you actually want to add to this video. Then what you need to do is to change the privacy setting to private. You don't want it to say public, because if it says public, it will automatically just upload and be shared with all the persons who are on YouTube. So what you need to do basically is just change that setting to private. When you change that setting to private, what you're going to do, you're going to go to the YouTube Studio, the app, and when you get to that app, you're going to click on the video that you've uploaded, and then you're going to go and make the necessary changes to your thumbnail, and then you're going to go and do whatever additional settings you need to change or whatever edit you need to do, and then you proceed to basically scheduling the time and the date that you would actually like for the video to be displayed on YouTube. People, so now after you have done all your necessary editing, what I want you to do now is to continue in your YouTube app, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to see public, unlisted, private, and you're going to see schedule. That's the icon with the clock. You're going to select that icon, and then you're going to select a date, and you're also going to select a time that you wish for this video to basically be released to the public. They will be waiting for the release, so please ensure that you know the correct time that you want, because first it will give you the time setting. It will give you basically in 24 hours clock, right? So we'll see from 1 to 7 on the AM section, and then you will see the rest going around up to 00 hours. So ensure that you pick the right time, ensure you pick AM or PM as you would like for it to go, because based on the country that you're in, or based on the country that you're releasing your content for, it is very important that you select the right time. So you don't want to schedule your video to come out at 12 AM when you really wanted to schedule it for 12 PM. Don't make that mistake. So be very careful when you get to this section. Choose the right date and the right time. Make sure you ask somebody if you're not too sure what is the date and what's the difference between 12 AM and what is the difference between 12 PM. But trust me, guys, after you've done that and you've selected save, you're basically saving the schedule for your video. And basically after that, once you're set and good to go, up until the time that you schedule your video for, it will not be released, right? So this video will be released based on the time that you schedule it for, and then it basically just goes out, similarly to how when you just upload your videos regularly and they just go out and they get published. But you can also edit this video while it is being scheduled, so if you make the video overnight and before you maybe change your mind about the thumbnail or change your mind about the description, you can basically just go to the YouTube app again and click the video, because the video will be there but the private icon will be on. and then as in it's a locked icon, that's a private icon, and then you can go there and do your necessary changes and updates. But trust me, tell me how it goes when you try this, creators. Tell me how this goes, and tell me if you like the convenience, tell me if you like the efficiency, and tell me how it helps you to make the delivery and the publishing of your content better, because I believe that you can do things overnight and release it afterwards. All depends if you are doing current content or basically you're doing content that can be released at specific times. Now, like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is a very, 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 very important concept, and trust me, it saves on time, it's convenient, and it is very good for planning the delivery of your content. So thanks for watching, and happy